this is Swagata. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Swagata. Through this channel, you will learn with me various topics on different subjects. You may be a student, a housewife, or a working professional. My channel is for all of you. I'm sure you will all be excited to learn with me. So now let's get started. In this series of English grammar tutorials, today my topic is articles. The contents include definition of article, types of articles, examples of articles, and an exercise. Definition of article. Articles are used to define a noun as specific or non-specific. There are two types of articles. Number 1, definite article, and number 2, indefinite article. Definite article. Definite article is the word the. It tells us about a specific or a particular noun. Definite articles can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. Examples are: number 1, please give me the blue book. Here, the is the definite article because it tells us about a specific blue book. Number 2, the Taj Mahal is a famous tourist spot. Here, the is the definite article because it talks about a particular place, Taj Mahal. Indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a and an. They don't tell us about a specific or a particular noun. They are used only with singular, countable nouns. Examples are: number 1, I have a red sari. Here, a is indefinite article because it talks about any red sari and not about any particular one. Number 2, my father owns an apartment in Mumbai. Here, an is an indefinite article because an represents any apartment in Mumbai but not any specific one. More about articles. An is used with a noun starting with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, and a is used with a noun starting with a consonant. But there are some exceptions. Number 1, an honest man. Here, although honest starts with a consonant H, the word honest starts with a vowel sound, where H is silent. So here, an is used before the word honest. Number 2, a European girl. Here, although the word European starts with a vowel E, the word European has a consonant sound. So here, a is used before the word European. Number 3, an MA. Here, the abbreviation MA starts with a consonant M. But we have used an before MA because the abbreviation MA starts with a vowel sound A. Number 4, a university and a useful. Here, although the words university and useful start with a vowel U, we use A before university and useful because they start with a consonant sound like Y-E-W. Number 5, a United States citizen. Here, the word United starts with a consonant sound Y. So we use A before United. Other examples are number 1, an honor, number 2, an heir, number 3, a URL, number 4, a unicorn, number 5, an hour. These words also follow the same rules as the previous slide. Now we come to an exercise. Here you have to fill in the blanks with suitable articles a or an or the. Number 1. Dash planetarium is now open for visitors. Answer is the planetarium is now open for visitors. Number 2. He has taken admission in Dash University. The answer is he has taken admission in a university. Number 3. My aunt is Dash European lady. The answer is my aunt is a European lady. Number 4. This is Dash useful information. The answer is this is a useful information. Number 5. I would like to visit Dash Alipur Zoo. The answer is I would like to visit the Alipur Zoo. Number 6. He is Dash MA in English. The answer is he is a MA in English. Number 7. The Queen lives in Dash Bake Palace. The answer is the Queen lives in a big palace. Number 8. Dash Himalayas is a huge mountain range. The answer is the Himalayas is a huge mountain range. Number 9. My father gifted me Dash new cell phone. The answer is my father gifted me a new cell phone. Number 10. Please carry Dash umbrella with you. The answer is please carry an umbrella with you. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please write in the comment section below. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great time ahead. Bye.